Well, hey, y'all, this is Krystal Hunsucker from McKinney, Texas. Happy Magnanimous Monday. Welcome to our just sharing a little peek into pink and a happy $1,000,000 message for all the consultants. But if you're a guest today, I am so grateful that you are calling and listening. If you're a consultant today listening, I am so glad you're calling and listening to get reignited. And so just sit back, relax, grab a cup of coffee or tea, and let's get up in the couch. Let's get up on the couch, have a little conversation today. I'm so happy that you've joined me for just a few minutes on this Monday. Wow, I got to tell you, I have had the most fun, crazy, awesome journey in this Mary Kay life for 20 plus years. And if we're going to be really honest, I'm coming up on 25 years in the next year or two. It's hard to keep up, but I absolutely love this business. I love the freedom and flexibility that it offers me as a mom. And, even today as I record this, we've had a busy weekend of my son turned 4, and we've been at, baseball games. We just came back from a birthday party. My little guy's going down for a nap. My older one is ready to play, and I just, for a few minutes, come into my office, shut the door, and that's exactly how this Mary Kay thing can work now. In 2023, it's very, very different because you can do this business a lot of different ways. And when my mom signed up when I was 11 years old, she really got started for the first reason women come in, and that is to save some money. And that was really why my mom came in originally, and I'm so glad she did. She ultimately ended up working this as a business and became a senior national sales director. She is now retired, but she is on the national sales director trip right now with my sister, who is also a national sales director. And then it's a family legacy with us, you guys. My niece is also 23 years old, pregnant with her second baby. She's having a girl. We're so excited. And she has officially crossed over, and she has led her team to $1 million in sales, and we've still got 2 months left in our year. So it's pretty exciting, and that is because one person said yes. So I want to tell you, even if today you're thinking, I would love to just get my products at cost, I would love to get 50% off. Can you say half off, baby? Okay, I'm going to pretend like you said that back to me. 50% discount. But then what that means is when you sell something, you are making a 50% commission. And that was, ultimately what inspired my mom. So you're going to hear a lot of different women this week. You're going to hear a lot of that. We all have different personalities. We all have different stories, but we are all legacies in this company. And we grew up, what I know my friend Kristen likes to say, we grew up pink. And I'm so glad that I did. I'm so glad that my sister said yes. I'm so glad I said yes. I'm so glad that my niece is saying yes. And she is changing a generation to come. She is inspiring teenagers and women in their 20s, women in their 30s. She's inspiring me, who's been in this company for over 20 years, all because my mom wanted to make, to save some money on makeup. And when my mom got her starter kit in the mail, we get an Applause magazine, and it was so cool, you guys. I actually just got my Applause magazine right before I checked my mail late this weekend, and I just opened it up, and I'm looking at it, and I'm looking at the cover, and there's my mom and sister on the cover of the Applause magazine because they broke a record in Mary Kay. They were the first mother and daughter to reach the top level at the exact same time. Pretty awesome stuff, right? But here's the thing. You don't have to have some spectacular story, because what really sold my mom into this business is that Mary Kay created this company on the foundation of God first, family second, career third, and living by the golden rule, which basically means we are going to treat others how we want to be treated. That we're going to be kind and loving and caring to other people. And that's what she created. That's what she passed on. And when she read that, she said, this is exactly what I've been looking for. Because I could tell you those paychecks that are listed in the Applause magazine of $10,000, $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 a month in that magazine, they impressed her. They did. But that is not what pressed in her heart. What pressed in her heart was that Mary Kay Ash founded our company on a foundation of our faith. and that we are a company of hope, and that we have the vehicle of lipstick, but we are so much more. And so, as I'm sitting in this phase of my life, and I'm so glad that I said yes back in 2001, I am so glad. But, I've also said I'm so glad my sister said yes, because when she came in for the second reason a lot of women say yes to Mary Kay, and that's to save or make some extra money. She needed to make extra money, and her thought process was $100 a week. And I even read something, I think it was $27.50. If someone is doing a side hustle, and if you sold enough, so basically you sold less than $60 a day for an entire year, that would mean that you would make half of that. So $27.50 was the amount. You would put $10,000 extra dollars in your family's bank account. Are your wheels turning right now? Because that is exactly what my sister did. That is exactly what her thought process was. I'm going to tell you, it's a lot more than $10,000 that has gone extra into her family's income, because she did reach that top position as well. She helped 10 women earn Mary Kay cards and become leaders in our company her very first year. And you can put in as little as much or as much as you want. You can think that you want to just save money, and you end up making some money, and you end up moving up the career path, but it is all in your hands. It is totally up to you. And what I love the most is that it's totally a positive growth atmosphere. I have had so much self-growth. My sister has had so much self-growth. She was in an abusive relationship. We had no idea. Thank goodness she said yes to Mary Kay. Thank goodness she built a business, because when she went through the hard time of being a single mom and trying to figure out what to do, moving 4 times in a year, keeping her children safe, she was still making money. My goodness, you guys, what an opportunity we have. And, really the last reason women come into this is really why people like me come in. And I was very young. I needed a career. I didn't need a side hustle. I didn't need something extra. I needed, I needed an income. I needed a for real job. So when I said yes to Mary Kay, I was looking for the Mary Kay car. I was looking for leadership as fast as I could. I earned my first car in 6 weeks. And you'll say, oh, that's because your mom and sister were so successful. Let me just tell you, I had very few contacts because they had contacted all my contacts before I started. So we teach you how to do that. We teach you how to network. We teach you how to build through people that you already know. And I knew 10 people, and those 10 people knew 10 people. And all of a sudden, within 6 weeks, I had earned my first Mary Kay card by selling products, which is put this on, wash this off, how's your skin feel, or through a computer screen. You're looking at people saying, show and tell. It's like QVC, you guys. I love this product. I love this lipstick. Watch me contour. And people are buying product. It's the way people shop now. We have a thing called Shop My Party, where you're going to host this, and she'll send out to all of her friends your Mary Kay personal website, and they'll purchase from you. Like, it does not get more simple than this. I don't like to say easy, because easy means little or no effort. You are going to have to make some effort. But I promise you, something will come back with every effort that you put into Mary Kay. And I didn't have a car. Talk about an obstacle, you guys. You make a decision. Because if you're willing to learn, and you're willing to do the work, and you're willing to pay the price, you will be a success. I guarantee it. I guarantee it. Now, that's me telling you that. Can you believe? Can you give it a try? I mean, why not? It is so simple, you guys. This is not brain surgery. This is lipstick and cleanser. And I want to make you feel great about your skin, because what we have found is when we make women feel beautiful about their skin on the outside, they start growing and feeling better about themselves on the inside. It is really and truly what happens. And I'm so sorry, excuse me. All you have to do is say yes. All you have to say is, you know what? I'm going to give this thing a try. And let me tell you, it is not guaranteed forever that we are going to have this awesome opportunity for only $30. $30. $30. You get access to all of our online trainings and tools, to our website to order. You'll immediately, once you place your inventory or minimum order, you can start getting 50% on all of your products. Why would you not say yes? There is nothing mandatory. We're going to walk you through all the steps. And I'm going to tell you what, I am so glad that I worked the business how I did, when I did. I didn't meet my husband till my mid-30s. When I came into the marriage, I was able to come in totally debt-free. I was able to come in saying, hey, I already have a car. I'm going to have a car every 2 years. They pay the tax, title, and tag and most of the insurance on my car. We're never going to have to worry about that with me. I've got that covered as my job. I'm able to help be, a two-income family, but also I get to have amazing and incredible friendships, amazing and incredible self-growth that I get to help other women become their best, healthiest selves. And there's no price tag on that. Because the thing is as a woman, if you're a mom, you're affecting a whole household. If you're an aunt, you're affecting nieces and nephews, everyone that you meet. If you're a woman that's working in a corporate job, you are affecting all the people around you. All you got to do is say yes. Reach out to your consultant. Let that consultant know that, yes, you want to get started with the $30 starter kit. There are other options. You can ask her about it, but ultimately, $30. Excuse me, you guys. I'm so sorry. See, we're as real as it gets. We're on my couch, and I've got a dry throat. I should have had a glass of water in front of me. But you will never know unless you try. Oh, my friends, the best is yet to come. Today, your password to your consultant is happy, because I call my family, Krystal Hunsucker, the Hunsucker Happy, because we are happy, we are joyful, and this business has given us choices. Given us some trips and some diamond rings too, but ultimately it's given us choices. What kind of choices do you want to make? I know what choice you should make today. Say yes to Try Mary Kay. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope you have a super blessed day.